Guess what? I'm trying to pick it up. It came! So, I'm super excited to show you what's in here. Yes, I opened it. I was trying to do a live a second ago, and for some reason it wasn't working properly. So, you guys get to see it live again, or for the first time. Here we go. It came! The Amavi, it came. So this is the Amavi Father's Day kit collection. Okay, comes with a nice little tag too. So definitely looks like a nice little kit collection. Hi, Mom. And I love the orange, the black, very nice, very spiffy. doTERRA, good job. We have the Amavi Touch in there. So this is going to be the oils of patchouli, black pepper, there's Buddha wood, there's balsam Canada, hinoki, and then it's like cocoa. Yeah, you can't wait. Super exciting. So this is the fortifying blend and is amazing for supporting you emotionally, helping you feel more calm, balanced. What else was I going to share with you? There's some more information I want to say. So stay present by incorporating Amavi into your daily practice of personal mastery, or incorporate Amavi into your skincare regimen to help reduce the appearance of blemishes and improve healthy looking skin, ladies and gentlemen. Molly's sniffing. Combine it with your individual chemistry to create a unique to you personal fragrance experience. So that means when you use this blend and roll it on, the chemistry, the scent of it is going to change from person to person. So if I roll it on, it's going to have a different scent to it when you smell it compared to if my husband rolls it on, or say, Mom, you roll it on. It's going to be based on your body chemistry. And so that's really cool. We do have some oils like that, like Whispers that way for ladies. That is definitely not that's more floral. It's not always the manly one that they go to, but Amavi is definitely for the guys. And again, helps support healthy, youthful skin, but also supporting your mood and emotions. I think the biggest thing is Wally just loves the smell of it. That's why it's like his favorite. What else was I going to read? So the other thing about it is if you're wanting to radiate confidence, wear Amavi, put it on. So if you're feeling you're going to a meeting, it's going to help you feel more grounded and balanced out. And it is expertly crafted with grounding aroma. That's where the patchouli comes in and some of the Buddha wood, in a base of fractionated coconut oil. So when we talk about touch and being in a roller, it's got the coconut oil in there for easy application. Nice roller that you can roll on your wrists and your back of your neck, behind your ears. I think it makes a great man's cologne, so it's great for that. Hi, Linda. Now, Linda, you're going to love this. This is super exciting. I know Joe loved the Amavi bath bar, but you're going to love it even more because I remember what you said about the last version. So the last one, when they created this kit several years ago, it came with a bath bar that was more like gray and had like charcoal. You're going to like this, Linda. So you're going to want to stock up and get all 4 before they're gone. So here's the bath bar. Da-da-da! It's the normal looking, same as all the other bath bars. Hi, Kim. It's tan, no gray stuff. So the shower's not gonna be turning gray on you. Ours did. After you'd said that, I noticed when Wally was using his bath bar, I wondered why it looked dirty sometimes faster. There's some, I think, charcoal in it, and it left some gray in our shower, and Linda was telling me the same thing. So you won't have that problem. It smells the same. It's amazing. I love it. So this is a moisturizing bath bar. It's a natural soap infused with the fortifying aroma of the Amavi essential oil blend. Leaves your skin feeling clean, smooth, and soft. That's what it says right here on the box. And it does. It definitely does that. This unique formulation moisturizes and refreshes your whole body for a deep cleansing experience. When I had read that the first time they came out with the Amavi soap bar, I borrowed from my husband. He knows. Okay, he knows. The cat's out of the bag. But he had it in the shower. I'm like, I gotta try it. So I tried it, and I loved how moisturizing my skin felt, and I loved how grounding I felt and just energized. So this is the bath bar. This comes in the Father's Day kit. Great for men and women, because we talked about the rollers. Great for some skincare blemishes or things like that, but also great for kind of a perfume or cologne type scent. Very masculine. But this is the little traveling case that comes in. So you can get up to 4. That's what's in my box, you guys. You get up to 4 of these. So of course, I stocked up. What can I say? This is one of Wally's favorites. So we've got, you know, birthday, Christmas, congratulations. I don't know. We're set. Of course, he doesn't need all 4 bags, so I'm sure you guys are going to notice some of these may become little giveaways and prizes, the bags. The really cool thing is I love how it zips across. So it's like a angle, so it's kind of fashion, modern. And then inside you have room to put any other Father's Day goodies you want to put in there, any other gift goodies. It doesn't say Father's Day on it, so if you want to stock up on gifts for Christmas, birthdays, that sort of thing, go for it, okay? It's amazing. Yeah, Joe loves it. I got all 4. I'm super excited, and I know, Mom, you got all 4. The other thing I got in my box, I'm not going to pull out all the citrus oils, but I got a bunch of citrus oils that were on sale during our citrus sale. So hopefully you guys saw that and took advantage of that, because some of them you got 10, 20, or 30% off. We had talked about that. I stocked up. Super excited, but because it's no longer available, I don't want to go through all of that for you. But if you got your citrus oils, be sure to let us know. Mom got all 4. I was just going to say, let us know what you got for your Amavi, if you got all 4. And it is a limited time offering, so that means they will sell out and they will disappear. I am surprised they haven't sold yet, so they did good on making enough available for you guys. So be sure to get on that and tell your friends and family, because they don't want to miss it. You got lemon and cheer. Yep, I got some of that, and I got wild orange, I got lime, I got a lot of the ones we use all the time. But then I also added in and I cashed in some points because I was running low on my PB Assist Plus. A lot of people ask me, does doTERRA have a probiotic? And I say, yes, we actually have an amazing probiotic. It's a pre and probiotic. So this capsules in here have the prebiotic, which is really good and gets digested in your stomach, but then the prebiotic goes further into your intestinal tract where it should go and helps support your intestines and good flora. So this has been a game changer for good support for my gut health and my metabolism, and I highly recommend it if you're not on a probiotic. A lot of people don't realize, like skin issues, focus and concentration, energy, a lot of times it's all really connected to your gut. There's a brain-gut connection, and we don't always think of that. Mood and emotion can be connected with that as well. So taking care of your digestive tract, your gut, is huge. So having the PB Assist and the Terrazyme enzyme complex is going to be one of the things you want to do. So I got some more of that. So I was armed and ready to support my digestive tract, and I love it so much. I usually add it with my Lifelong Vitality Pack, but I was taking a little extra. It supports your immune system as well because you're taking care of that gut. But be sure to get it. And if you use the PB Assist Plus, please share in the comments if you use it and love it. We want to hear from you guys. Every morning, yep, I use it at night, and then I sometimes use it during the day, depending on what I've been eating or how my day's been going. So that's what's in my box, you guys. Be sure to stock up, get these before they're gone, and you will be set with a lot of great gifts at an amazing cost. And I did it in my loyalty rewards box, so that means I got 30% back. Use it every day. Yes, Linda, I'm sure you do. And I know you do because you've told me a lot about PB Assist Plus, and I've learned from you, so thank you. So I got my loyalty rewards box. That's what I ordered it in, and that means I get 30% back on everything I just paid for in points towards free stuff. So that's why I got my PB Assist free, is I cashed in those points to get it free, and then I didn't have to pay for it. How many of you can say you got your probiotics free? How many of you can say you get your oils free, or that you get your toothpaste or your deodorant or, you know, any of those things free? Not many people can. So I love that I can get those free with a loyalty rewards order, and I get to save 25% off all year long on all the amazing products doTERRA has. So if you're interested, be sure to reach out to me or the person that invited you here and let us know, because we have a great deal going on, and we are really excited to also offer some free citrus bliss. So if you missed out on the citrus sale, if you don't have your own membership with us and aren't a part of our oil family, we're offering a free cheer roller. Got one here because I stocked up on some more. I got free cheer roller for those people, and then we have citrus bliss and adaptive that are being offered depending on how large or how much you order. So let us know. We'd be happy to help you. I know Linda and Cassie would be happy to help you. Ooh, tongue twister there. And we're super excited to be sharing oils and helping you guys with immune support, your energy, your emotions. We have an awesome class coming tomorrow. You guys ready? It's fun in the sun. And then I have a bunch of classes that are being posted or are going to be scheduled to post over the weekend for June. So they're all up and ready to be shown for you guys to RSVP to and show that you're going or interested. And we have a lot of fun stuff coming your way for the summertime and for pets. And Mom will be there. Awesome. Hopefully, I know Linda, you are going to be at work, but we will record it too. And if you specifically ask me, I can send you guys the link for that. But we would love to see you there for fun in the sun, because we're going to talk about oils and making things, do-it-yourself type recipes and projects for you to do at home with your friends or family or with yourself, so that you can have fun in the sun safely and healthy. Yay! I know, it's going to be fun. I know we'll miss you, but it'll be good that you can watch the replay. So we'll see you all next time. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Be sure to get outside, have a little fun in the sun, and enjoy some vitamin D from that sun. It's great. Molly and I are going to need to go for a walk here, and we're going to enjoy our Amavi. Bye everyone. See you later. Have a great day.